Alright guys, so let's guess what I'm doing right now as I'm recording this video. If your guess is I'm burning a stump from an old cherry tree so that we can build a shed where the tree used to be, you are absolutely correct. Well done. So guess how long I've been sitting here by this stump that's burning. If your guess is I have been sitting here for 1 hour, 13 minutes, and 42 seconds, you're absolutely correct. Well done again. Now when somebody asks you how long you've been doing something, we normally don't give an answer as exact as 1 hour, 13 minutes, and 42 seconds because nobody really cares exactly how long I've been sitting by this burning stump. So what we usually do is give an estimate. So if I was just to say I've been sitting by this stump for about 1 hour, that would be good enough for you guys. You don't need to know exactly how long I've been sitting by the stump. So this right here is called an estimate. An estimate is close but not exact. And you use an estimate when you don't need anything exact. So today's lesson is on estimating sums and differences. So estimating, like I said before, is getting close. It's getting an answer that is close. A sum is an answer to an addition problem. A difference is an answer to a subtraction problem. So what we're doing today is we're getting answers that are close to addition and subtraction problem answers. We don't care about the exact answer, we just want to get close. So this quick check problem is an example of when you may not care exactly what the answer is. Tom bought a bike for $235 and a helmet for $48. How much more does the bike cost than the helmet? Your answer is going to be about, and you're going to estimate the answer. In this case, you're going to round to the nearest 10 before computing. So let's take a look at the kinds of problems that you're going to have to do. Okay, this first problem, Greg bought a desk for $658 and a chair for $84. What's the total cost of the desk and chair? So we're going to have to add those together. If I wanted the exact answer, I would add 658 plus 84. But in this case, we don't want an exact answer, so we're going to estimate. We're going to estimate this sum. So we're rounding to the nearest 10. So I'm going to look at the tens place. That is 5, which is 5 tens. That means that my answer is either going to be 650, not my answer, but my estimate is going to be 650 or 660. So which is 658 closest to? Well, it's bigger than halfway. It's bigger than 655. So it's closer to 660. Now 84, we're going to do the same thing. It's going to be between the benchmarks of 80 and 90. Now 85 is halfway between. So 84 is less than 85. That means it's closer to 80. Okay, so I have to add 660 plus 80. I should line up my numbers a little better, so I think I will. Let's write the 0 right under the 0, the 8 right under the 6. Now when we add them up, 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 6 is 14, and 6 plus 1 is 7, 740. That's about the total cost of the desk and chair, $740. Okay? Last question. Kara is solving the following problem, 56 minus 33. Kara rounds each number to the nearest 10 and then subtracts. What is the difference after she rounds? Okay, so I've got a tip for you. Don't read through all of these. They all have different answers. So if we just find out what the correct answer is without looking at all of these, then we can look back and see which one makes the most sense. So 56 minus 33. We're rounding to the nearest 10, or Kara was. Now the 10 is the 5, so that's worth 50. So this is in between 50 and 60. 56 is over halfway from 50 to 60, so it's closer to 60. So 56 is close to 60. 33 is in between 30 and 40. So 30 and 40. 33 is less than halfway from 30 to 40, so it's actually closer to 30. Now when we subtract 60 minus 30, we get 30. The one that's the right answer is right there. It's the only one that says 30, so I know that we're pretty close. And when we read through it, they estimated the same way we did. 60 minus 30 is 30. 60 minus 30 is 30. All right. Let's go to the quick check. Remember, you have to get this answered in order to move to the next station. Good luck.